if I compare my Garmin VO2 Max running estimate of 59 with the 58.7 properly measured of Brian Johnson, then one has to keep two things in mind. First of all, mine is just an estimate, and it's just based on running. And the second thing is that I am obviously much younger. So actually not only biologically much younger, but also biologically much younger. And so even though, now I don't know specifically what the overall output of Brian Johnson's biological age is, but I probably would assume I still have an advantage just by taking my chronological age into account. So my VO2 Max, even though it is superior, just probably is ranking way less compared to him, who has a higher chronological age, and therefore might be even in the... If his VO2 Max was also shown on this graph, then it might be in the top, I don't know what percent, but currently I am in the top 5% only.